Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Icon Place. Today we are going to unbox CrossBeats smartwatch, and also we are going to provide a demo how to use the smartwatch applications, both applications, Starfit application as well as CrossBeats application. So backside of this watch we can see 4 pins. Maybe these 4 pins used for 2 for charging and 2 for data transfer. We can see the CrossBeats logo here, and belt is also good. And 22 strap we have. So we can remove from here. If we press this button downwards, we can remove and we can change the straps. Here we have a microphone, we have one knob. This is also we can use for rotating, scrolling. We can. So let's connect this with the application. Tap it. So after opening this application, go to this watch symbol here and add a device. So now our watch is visible here. Just click on it. Voila, it's connected now. So we can change the faces from here, whatever the faces we want here. So basically we can see the application screen here. I'm not sure why I'm unable to see. Upgrade, it's asking for upgrade. Okay, so our watch is getting upgraded, I think. Yep. So we can manage updates and everything from this application. We can change the wallpaper, we can enable the notifications. So a lot of things we can do it from this application. So firmware upgrade is done. Watch is rebooting. That's the reason it's went to off mode. So as we see, we can manage updates from this application, Starfit application. I can change the watch faces from here. So if I need more watches, I can click here, so I can get more wallpapers from this application. For example, if I need this, just click and download, and it will be downloaded onto the watch. See, downloading. So done. So we have now a new face that doesn't fit this outfit, but still. And also we can change our own wallpaper from this edit option here, and we can select the picture from the gallery, and we can use our own wallpaper. We can also change the position, this timing position, below and up. This is for like the options here. We can close about time what we need a sleep or a heart rate. So here heart rate will be visible here on the top of the time. So below options also we can change from here, and the color, this timing color also we can change from this option here. So shutter while using this app, so I can manage this shutter option from this watch. If I click here, this will take a picture. You can set the alarm, contacts. We can download the contacts from the mobile, and those will be visible in our watch, and we can upgrade firmware from here. So contacts and other details will be found here, and here we can see all our exercise, sleep, steps, everything here. So let's try this explore application by CrossBeats. Agree the conditions, click next, enter your name. I can mention like PC number D, click next, choose your photo, skip, I will add it later. All these settings, skip. Do you want okay, let's try. Let's connect to the charger. So this is magnetized. Oh, this is magnetized connectors. We can't connect in this way, it won't work. So we have to put it in this direction. We have to connect in this direction. So we can see the charging. This cable have 4 connectors. With this we can transfer the audio to the watch, and also we can charge this smartwatch. And this watch comes with the AMOLED display, which uses less battery consumption.
This way I can access the home OS in my Windows laptop, and
So we are hearing this audio from the watch. It is not so loud, but it's good enough to hear. This is all about CrossBeats smartwatch. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please do subscribe to our channel like, share and comments.